On December 30, 1983, the infrared astronomical satellite IRIS discovered a planet 7 times larger than Earth called Nibiru, but in Russia it was already known about Nibiru even before IRIS discovered it in the early 1990s. Russia sent an officially non-existent space probe called Norlok directly to the planet Nibiru. In order to obtain the exact orbit to get a better estimate of the arrival of the planet Nibiru to Earth later in 1995, the Vatican built a space telescope called Skyhall 12 and also the space probe Silo in 1995 with the sole reason of hunting a planet called Nibiru. This space probe was taken into space by a super-secret military aircraft named Aurora, which is a type of aircraft that can leave the Earth's atmosphere and travel through space. The objective of the space probe Silo was to approach Nibiru and photograph it. The photographs of the space probe Silo revealed the reality of a gigantic planet heading in the direction of the Earth. The Vatican is currently monitoring to Nibiru through its new Lucifer 1 super telescopes, which came into operation on April 21, 2010, and the state-of-the-art Vatican-backed telescope, which was built in 2011. The Vatican's Lucifer 1 and back telescopes feature infrared cameras known as infrared binocular telescopes that with their powerful and sensitive camera manage to capture spectacular photographs of Nibiru. Remember that Nibiru is not visible with the naked eye through ordinary telescopes, but only through infrared lenses, precisely because Nibiru emits radiation in the range of infrared light. Nibiru is not subject to any physical law, not even to Kepler's law. It is an authentic cosmic puzzle. Nibiru is an intruder that only moves when whoever controls it wishes. It is known that Nibiru slows down its movement and then accelerates. On August 7, 2019, a giant meteorite hit the surface of Jupiter. The force of the collision spread over an area greater than the size of the Earth. These meteorites are randomly pushed by Nibiru's powerful electromagnetic field. As the great arrival of Nibiru approaches, the fall of meteorites will increase in number and size. In 2016, the Cassini space probe took a real photo of Nibiru. In this photo shows the intruder planet with its moons, which give it its winged shape, and a few months after Cassini took that photo, the space agencies in charge of the spacecraft destroyed it by intentionally colliding with Saturn. Immediately after the publication of the photo, if Nibiru passed the orbit of Saturn in 2016, and if the calculation is done using Kepler's law, then Nibiru reached the orbit of Jupiter in late 2019. Right now, Nibiru is between the two largest planets in our solar system, and the magnetic fields of these three giants are in a powerful power play. But Nibiru is moving towards the inner solar system and is beginning to affect the magnetic field of once the Earth manages to escape from the clutches of the two largest planets in our solar system. The interference of its electromagnetic field will further increase climatic anomalies.